Hey, y'all, and welcome back to Pour Into Purpose with Counselor Stewart. I'm so grateful you're here. Whether you're listening on your morning commute, preparing your classroom, enjoying a quiet moment at home, or simply taking a pause before the business of the school year begins, thank you for allowing me to pour into you today. Even though we've officially started our Building the Village Back to School series, I wanted to pause for just a moment and reflect on our Summer Growth Edition because it was just that powerful. Sometimes we're so focused on what's next that we don't take the time to appreciate what God, life, and our experiences have already done within us. Before we fully embrace a new school year, I don't want us to leave behind the lessons that prepared us for it. This summer wasn't just about taking time off. It was about becoming. It was about learning to rest without guilt, heal with intention, lead with authenticity, and remember that we cannot continue pouring from an empty cup. Each episode challenged us to grow, not just as educators, counselors, administrators, and leaders, but as people. Because who we become behind the scenes always impacts how we show up for others. So, before we continue building the village for our students, let's take one more moment to reflect on what this summer poured into us. As you listen today, wherever you are, I invite you to pause and reflect on these questions. What did this summer pour into me? What am I intentionally leaving behind as I begin this new school year? What habits or boundaries do I want to carry into this season? How will I continue pouring into myself so I have something meaningful to pour into others? How has my purpose grown because I chose to pause, heal, and reflect this summer? The Summer Growth Edition reminded us that growth isn't always visible. Sometimes it's found in quiet mornings, honest conversations, moments of rest, and the courage to become a healthier version of ourselves. As we continue our Building the Village series, let's remember this truth. Healthy educators build healthy classrooms. Healthy leaders build healthy teams. Healthy counselors help build healthy schools, and healthy people build healthy villages. Thank you for walking through this summer journey with me. I truly hope these conversations encouraged you, challenged you, and reminded you that pouring into yourself is never selfish. It's necessary. Let's take everything this summer poured into us and use it to pour into every student, every family, every colleague, and every opportunity that awaits us this school year. I'm Counselor Stewart, and this is Pour Into Purpose. Let's keep pouring with purpose.